you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hello Griswold gang, and welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for being here. I am happy to be here, happy to be bringing you guys another video. If you're new to the Strat or new to the channel, then we are about to change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. First off, if you haven't done so and you're not a subscriber, go down below, click that subscribe button, and hit that bell. That bell is the important part. That bell sends out notifications to you to let you know that I've put out videos just like this one, and I do it every single day, guys. I send out top 5 plays every day. I send out watch lists every day. I send out weekly swings. I send out monthly swings. We're probably going to have quarterly plays coming up here at the end of June. I have over 200 videos for you guys to learn how to trade the Strat, okay? How to trade in the market, how to become winners in the stock market, okay? Go check out those videos, those playlists. I've got hashtag 30 and 30 strategy setups. I've got how to trade inside bars, double inside bars, outside bars, 3-1 setups, what broadening formations are, what these candlestick numbers mean, entries and exits, Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule. Okay, the list goes on and on and on. I've got videos on tickers with cheap premiums for option plays. Okay, all of this for you guys for free. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Go ahead, give me a follow there. If you have questions, you can ask them there. You can DM me there in private. It's there's no dumb questions. There's no silly questions. If you guys are learning and you need to know something, ask. I will help you guys out as much as I can with the knowledge that I have. And saying that, you can also click on the comment section below and you can ask me any question down below on any one of my videos. As I said before, guys, these videos, I like to keep them free for you guys. I want you guys to learn this stuff for free. You shouldn't have to pay for it. Let's keep your money in your pocket. The way to do that, when I have an advertisement come up, please watch it. It's 15, 30 seconds out of your time. Let those advertisers pay for these videos, okay? And keep your money in your pocket. And I'll continue to do these videos for you guys for free. In saying that, I have been monetized. I don't know what the payouts are, what YouTube even pays or what the advertisers even pay, but I am at that point because of all of you guys who are watching today. So thank you guys very much, and because of you, I want to give something back. So we'll see what that payment looks like, and then I'll do a draw for somebody for 25 or 50 or 100 bucks or whatever it is to give back something to you guys for your subscriptions, for your following me on Twitter. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm not here without you guys, so thank you guys very much. And I hope you guys get something out of this stuff. I'm here to teach you guys and help you guys learn through your trading journey. So hopefully you guys get something out of it. Okay, let's get started on the top 5 watch list for Lotto Friday, June 17th. I've got a bunch of plays here for you guys to go through. Make sure you check out the full watch list. This is the top 5 list, the plays that I think are most probable to play out tomorrow or Friday if you're watching this on Friday. The first one I've got on the list is Neo. Neo's got an inside bar, and if Neo has an inside bar or any particular strong setup, I will have it on there. Same thing with Spy. So Neo has an inside bar. For those of you guys who are new, you don't know what an inside bar is. An inside bar stays within the range of the previous candle. It doesn't break the high. It does not break the low. It stays within the range. It's a consolidating candle. Shows consolidation within the ticker, within the stock. Okay, and when we have that, it's a tightening range. So now when you think of inside bars and you see inside bars, think of a spring. And when you see a spring tighten, 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 imagine your hands closing on that spring and then letting go. it's going to jump up to one side or the other, and that's the probabilities, okay? So you can go back and look on any ticker on the inside bars. This one shot up for 3 days. Whoops, I just moved my monthly trigger there. Inside bar, okay? This one opened up way up here and then came all the way back through for an outside bar. So that one didn't really work. We come back here, beautiful drop down there. This one here was a 3-1 setup and a beautiful drop there. Inside bar, drop there. Inside bar to the high side for 2 days, okay? So these are highly probable plays when we have these inside bars, and it's not foolproof. They don't always work, but they do tend to lead us to nice gains, nice profits, and good plays and setups. Okay, guys, if we, in the morning, if we gap above this line, if we open up above this line or open up below this line, then you're going to revert back to the gap plays, okay? So if you don't know how to play those, I have 2 gap videos for you guys to watch. We play those on the 30-minute or the 15-minute, basically an opening range breakout. So we look at that first 15-minute bar, and we take the break of the high or the low of that 15-minute bar, and those become our new triggers. Okay, so go watch those videos to see how that works out, or even some of my review videos over the last 2 days. You can go check those out from June 16th and June 15th. I think I have some gap plays in there as well to go over to show you guys how the gap plays work. Okay, so Neo inside bar, we can take calls at 1994. First target is here. Next target is right up here. Looks good. Neo is on an upward trajectory right now. The day, the week, and the month are all green, so that's good for us. The time frame continuity. I gotta go check this out. If you're looking for that indicator, it's time frame continuity by Board Rider B. The candlestick numbers that you see is candle type, the Strat. I'm just going to type in the Strat because I can never remember this. So here's an inside-outside bar, guys, that you guys might be interested in. Inside-outside bar is the Strat by Chart Tactics 11. That may paint the candles for you. Otherwise, use Paint 1 and 3. I'm going to remember one of these days, guys. I feel bad because I can never remember what it is. The Strat Tools, maybe? That wasn't it. Man, I got to figure out how to do a live session for you guys, and that way it'll make it a little bit easier. One day we'll do a live session. You guys can ask whatever you want. There's the Paint 1 and 3 bars. That'll paint the candles for you. We'll figure it out, maybe on the next video. Oh, speaking of that, the other day I think it was from Rob R. I don't want to give out his last name, but Rob R. Had a super thank you. It's a little sticker at the bottom of this video right here with a little $sign on the heart. So thank you, Rob, for that, for your donation. I appreciate that very much. I keep on forgetting to mention that. Rob R., thank you for that. Very much appreciative. Okay, so sorry, back to Neo, guys. Puts we can take, but the more probable and the better trade is if Neo trends to the high side, but we can take triggers to the downside at 1846, and our first target is right here at the bottom of this candle, 1818. I apologize, guys. I got off track there. Let's get back on here. CHWI is Chewy. Chewy has an inside bar. We just talked about inside bars, so you know that there's consolidation there. They act as a spring loaded. This is a double inside bar. They're super rare. Look at how this one jetted down. What a win that was on Chewy. And you can look for those inside bars or double inside bars throughout the day on basically any ticker. Just find them. Try and find something that's liquid, though, where the spread between the bid and the ask is not that far apart, okay? I usually like to see a couple cents, 3, 4, 5 cents or less, okay? Inside bar here, breakdown, okay? Inside bar here, breakdown for 2 days. Inside bar turned into an outside bar. Inside bar right here. I'm moving a little quick here, sorry, guys, but inside bar here for 2 days, it ran up, okay? Inside bar, nice run down. Inside bar, we had a run down here, okay? So high probability plays on these inside bars that have the potential to make you guys, I don't want to say highly profitable, but really, really good trades. And just continuity, consistency, small wins, guys. I can't stress that enough. Small wins and consistent wins, and keep those losses small. Keep your stop losses tight. If you get stopped out, who cares? Move on to the next trade. Forget about it. There's thousands of trades every day for you guys to jump in on. I get sidetracked again. I apologize. Happens to me often. Next up, we've got Netflix NFL X. I'm not sure what the spread between the bid and the ask is on Netflix, but we can check it out in the morning. Netflix also an inside bar. Calls at 176.29. Puts at 171.57. Full time frame continuity to the downside. Okay, day, week, month, quarterly, yearly are all red. We can take calls on this one at 176.29. Puts at 171.57. That's the more probable trade. That's probably the better trade if it trends that way. And then we've got the target set here at the bottom of the preceding wicks. That's on Netflix. That's play number 3. Play number 4 is Cisco. And guys, these are in no particular order. They just are what they are. Okay, so Cisco had a 2 down, finished green, okay, and it finished really strong green. We opened up down here and just trended up the whole day. So the day and the week are currently green. We're going to look for this to trend back to the upside with calls at 43.41 and take our first targets here. If we want that month, which is a red inside month, to flip to green, let's go see what it has to do. We can put a little, we'll put a little line there, switch back to the day. And it would be, looks like second through third targets, okay? Before we switch the monthly to green on Cisco. Okay, that's play number 4. Play number 5 is Pins, P-I-N-S, Pinterest, inside bar, full time frame continuity to the downside. This weekly trigger to the downside has already been triggered. It was triggered, what did we got here? Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. It was triggered on this gap play on Monday. So full time frame continuity to the downside. Puts are the most probable play and the best trade for this one. We can take puts at $17.30, and our first 2 targets are marked out. Calls, less probable. It's a less probable trade. 18.40 you could take the calls at, but you would be going against time frame continuity. And when we trade the strat, we like to trade with the continuity, okay? That is just something that gives us a higher probability of that trade becoming successful and being successful. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plays. I'll give you one bonus play here. Let's go to Snap. S-N-A-P has a 3-1 setup, full time frame continuity to the downside, day, week, month, quarterly, yearly, all red. Okay, and we've set our targets. The most probable trade and the best trade that we could hope for is if this trends down, because we're with the time frame continuity. That's something that we like to see when we trade the strat, okay? So puts here at $12.14, first target at $11.88. And again, if it triggers to the upside, you have to be careful because you are going against time frame continuity. There's nothing saying that you can't trade that, okay? Those trades work out. But probabilities tell us that the better trade and the higher probability of us having a successful trade is to the downside based on this right here. Okay, guys, that's a list. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Check out any of the playlist videos that I've got out for you, the learning tools. I promise they will help you guys. And the more you guys look at this stuff, the better you will become. It'll be like breathing, reading, eating, driving. Pick something that you're good at. The more you do this, the easier it will become. I promise you guys that. Watch those ads so you keep your money in your pockets. Let's keep this stuff free for everybody. And we will see you guys on the next one. Good luck on Lotto Friday, guys.